Today I'm presenting Midnight Medic, a super helpful dev tool for Midnight blockchain, which can resolve almost 80% of your issues while coding. The project is incredibly close to my heart. Originally, I came to this hackathon to build a ZK game, but I couldn't. I hit four massive walls. First was SDK version mismatch and Docker port conflicts. It crashed my local node. When I finally got it running, my proof failed with a cryptic error 482. I had no idea which line was failing. And lastly, when my zero knowledge proof ran, I couldn't console log my private state of the game. So I had no idea about how my mechanics was working. Privacy shouldn't come with a black box. It should be transparent, at least for developers, right? So I thought of building a solution for this. Midnight Medic solved all of these issues. I reverse engineered the compiler to build a decompiler that translates those cryptic ZK error 482 to directly line of source code. I built a cost predictor to stop guessing the dust fees. I built an X-ray that forcibly decrypted the local database so I could finally see my own private state. Thank you to the architecture of Midnight, so we can do it only on this chain. And the most important one, the Doctor one. It fixes all of your port and SDK version mismatch with single click. Ecosystem impact is profound here. It unlocks the whole potential of compact language itself, which is the most important thing for Midnight. Second, the decoding the proof server is like now a 4 minute task rather than 4 hours of juggling with the system. You can master the tokenomics. You can like estimate dust fees before even going to the mainnet. And there are features. Basically, these are features. Docker I talked about. There's a sync feature which can help your wallet sync, trace feature, inspect feature, and you can just generate, test, and deploy it with one click. Business model: the core module is free and it will be free, and the enterprise engine will have premium CI/CD subscription, block inefficient code, and save on dust fees. We are currently on phase 0 where we have built the MVP of local CLI, and this is our roadmap. So yeah, that was it. Let's jump to the demo. So guys, this is the demo. So as you can see, I have a game.compact file of my game which I was building. So this is the circuit. Now I will run my CLI on this. Okay, it has 8 to 12 circuits. Now at first, let's try the first command. Starts with environment. I will run Midnight Medic Doctor. Instead of guessing why a proof server won't generate or proof isn't generating, Medic scans my Docker, expected ports, expected services, everything, and it catches that my proof server is unreachable. And there's a quick tag. You can just fix it by running fix. Now let's show another command, which is basically Midnight Medic sync. The Midnight ecosystem is evolving rapidly. This command ensures perfectly compatibility across the network, proof server, SDK, compiler, so you never waste hours debugging a version. Now the biggest pain point in ZK development, blind compiler error. When a proof fails, you usually just get cryptic error. But with trace command, you compile the ZK JSON, our engine map, low-level cryptographic gate straight back to the compact source code. So you get exact line-by-line error and you can just fix it. It's huge advantage who are building serious products in Midnight ecosystem. Now let's show me another feature, which is estimate. It just calculates the whole cost breakdown of particular circuits in form of dust. To fix those costs, we run profile. This isn't just a basic summary. This is gate level flame graph. We assign mathematical weight to every opcode based on Plonkish constant. It highlights exactly which function are the heaviest, flags expensive operation like unoptimized hashes, and gives actionable steps like caching input to prevent witness bloat. While developing any smart contract, you need to debug the private state, and it's real difficult. Well, because it's private. Inspect live decrypts the local secure vault on the fly. As a developer, I can instantly view my live private variable, like my roles, my votes, witness events, which help me immensely while debugging the state, right? It's the beauty of Midnight's architecture. For cleaner code, Midnight Medic Lint performs static pattern matching. It scans our compact contracts for standard syntax and logic warnings. Next is privacy matrix audit. Security is the main thing. The matrix command generates a visibility audit. It cleanly maps our variable, proving exactly which data is logged in the private world and which data is exposed to the public registry across all the circuits. You can see you can have the like full bird's eye view of your whole circuits. Another feature, which is basically automated fusing. Finally, testing. Writing manual tests for edge cases takes forever. So we can build a fuzzer like Midnight Medic Fuse. You can just type it and input the circuit name, and it automatically blasts your circuit with random witness data to find path dependency error. When it inevitably forces a failure, it automatically triggers our X-ray analysis to catch the exact constraint violation. That was the demo. We have a deploy and wallet sync command also. I'm not showing because that's kind of not novel.